Sup guys, over here with a part 3 of Linea Voyage DeFi week tasks. As usual, links and updates are going to be in description and in the pinned comment, but follow any links at your own risk. And here we're going to start with the iZUMi finance. We got 3 tasks for iZUMi swap ETH for easy tokens, then place a limit order that doesn't have to be executed, and also add liquidity to ETH easy pair. As usual, following the link from the details. So connecting the wallet, first of all, here we need to select ETH into easy tokens. I'll just do 0.05. Let's see how's the gas. Well, roughly the same as it was several hours ago. Okay, this has been confirmed. Now we need to place limit order. I will also do just a little bit of ETH into easy. I don't want to deal with approving tokens. And here we can click market price and just add. This is insane. 0.38 for putting the limit order. Okay, this has been confirmed too. And now we need to provide some liquidity. Okay, add liquidity, need to select token here. We're gonna do ETH and easy. Need to select tier. And here I'm not gonna change any settings. I'll just do 1000 easy and some ETH. I'm also putting way too much because I can really... Holy smokes. What the heck is this? Well, hold on. Let's do site suggested. Hopefully this will come through. And obviously I don't care at this point. I just need to get it done regardless of the gas. I'm just afraid that I'm gonna run out of funds here because I only have 5 ETH and another 2.5 ETH should arrive soon. So after about 10 minutes of waiting, I decided to speed this up. We'll see how it goes. And also regarding iZUMi finance, I think it's worth mentioning that everybody who completes their task will be awarded 150 of I points. And if you've been following them, you're probably already familiar with this system from ZKEX. Basically the TLDR is that iZUMi promises to allocate 50% of the future airdrop, if that's gonna happen, to its users based on the amount of I points. So on ZKEX, for example, you can get I points from participating in various campaigns and also from doing transactions on iZUMi on ZKEX. And same here goes to Linea. If consensus will airdrop tokens, 50% of that is going to be allocated to users based on the amount of these I points. Oh shoot, at the end of the day, my iZUMi transaction failed. Let's go again. Okay, let's see how it goes with the aggressive gas right from the go. Okay, after speeding up this time, transaction was confirmed. As you can see, we paid roughly like 0.4 ETH for this one, but at least we completed the tasks for iZUMi. Now we can move on to the next application. This is going to be FWDX, and here we need to create a lot of markets. 2 markets of each type: stablecoin to stablecoin, altcoin to altcoin, stablecoin to altcoin. And then we need to fill 2 markets fully or partially. So we go into the application here, connecting the wallet. Let's try to create the market. I wonder how much the gas for this one is gonna be. I'll start with stables. Can we just do 5 and 5? Okay. What do you mean transaction failed? Hey, it's me a little bit from the future. When you create in the market, you must put the validity date and time. If you don't put that, you will get an error. I was sort of stuck there for a while trying to figure out what was going wrong, but just be sure to put some date in the future here, like this for example, and then it will work. Explore markets. For example, USDC DAI, you deposit 1 DAI, you receive 1 USDC. I need to approve all my DAIs here. Yeah, transaction has been successful, but this is still loading. Why is it still loading? Okay. But now my DAI is approved, so we can try to fill the market. This seems to be working though. Okay, this also got confirmed. Seems like there is an issue with updating the page. So this was one transaction. And for the second one, what can I do where I don't have to approve? What about this one? Also DAI USDC. Yeah, but it doesn't really matter. We just need 2 transactions of this type. Oh man, transaction failed. Let's try again. Okay, finally the page reacted. It was successful. Now let's try to create, or we need stables, right? Let's do this, and I will put the validity as well. Okay. So, okay, we need 2 of these, then 2 of altcoins, altcoin to altcoin. Third one is stable to alt. I'm not sure if direction matters. Okay, previous transaction worked fine. Yes, in my trades, you can now see that. So we did USDC to USDT. I'll try to do the same for USDC to DAI. Also put the validity. Okay, it's also confirmed. Okay, we're done with stables. Now we need to put some altcoins. Basically, you can use any tokens that you got or go ahead mint some in Linea Faucet. I actually wonder, does this faucet work? It says faucet is not available, please use Linea Faucet. But I already got some tokens, so I don't have to go to faucet. I'll do hope into uni. So I'll do 1 hope into 1 uni. 11,000. Yeah. Nice. We need to approve hope here. So here the same, I suggest using the same token that you approve once, so you don't have to approve again. So once I create this market, Hope Uni, I will create Hope BNB, for example. And this way I only have to approve Hope once if I'm approving the maximum amount. Nice. Let's refresh the page and we'll do Hope to BNB, for example. So I'll do 1, 2.1. Also drop some validity. Transaction failed. Okay, what is happening now? So this time when I put ridiculous year, it failed. The previous time when I put ridiculous year, it actually went through. So I assume there is a maximum value in this field. Nice, we got it. And now we only need stablecoin into altcoin. I'm going to be using USDCs because they are already approved. And let's do some uni, for example. Doesn't really matter. I'll do 100 to 1 uni. Put in some validity date here. Creating. Nice, this one was confirmed, but again, page is not reacting. It feels like in this application 50% of the time after transaction goes through, page just continues to load. But I'll just refresh. This time I'll do USDC to Hope, for example. Let's do also 100 to 1. But the page loading is not really an issue because you can, after you're done with all of the transactions, you can go to my trades and you can see all of your markets. Okay, this time it worked perfectly. Okay, so now we go into my trades, and here you can see all of your created markets. And if you click here, you can also see filled markets. As you can see, we filled 2 markets. However, for some reason here, I should have 6, but I only have 5. What am I missing? I got 2 stables. I got 2 stables into altcoins, and I'm missing 1 altcoin to altcoin for some reason. So I will go ahead and do hope to uni, for example, again. We'll do 1 to 1. Doesn't really matter what you put in here. Okay, again, this has been confirmed, but page is loading. I'll just refresh and go to my trades. Nice, we got all 6 here. So we completed all tasks for this application. It works fine. The only drawback here, obviously, a lot of transactions, because you need to effectively do 8 transactions, not even counting the approved transactions. So yeah, you're gonna pay a lot of gas. The next task is for Particle. Here we need to create a Particle account abstraction wallet with the social login, and then we're gonna claim some testnet USDCs and send them to our wallet. Just go to details. So here we have step-by-step instruction pretty much. Need to follow some account on Twitter, Particle Network. All right. Connect with Particle, connect. In the task it says social login. I don't know if email address will actually count. I will just do it with my Discord. Okay. It looks like I got connected. Your current USDC balance is 0. Your smart contract account. Okay, we need to claim TUSDCs. Gasless claim. Sign in message. And now here we need to input our wallet address and do a gasless swap. Confirm. And confirm. All right, next. Congratulations, you have finished the quest. And here you can click and learn more about Particle Network. Okay, cool, this one is done. Moving on to ZKEX. Execute a sell market order for half your Linea Pepe. Withdraw some Linea Pepe to your wallet. Select fast withdrawal. Okay, let's just follow details. So connecting the wallet. Okay. Make sure you're on Linea. Okay, for this one I will move my camera to the left side. There is a faucet. Where is Pepe? Linea Pepe. So we click on Linea Voyage. And we just claim. Alright. Alright, confirmed. Wait, where is this contract address? I need to import this. I'm a bit confused about whether or not this is minting in the vault or in our wallet. Let's import this Pepe. Okay, it's in our wallet. So in order to make a trade, we need to deposit first. So we go on deposit, transfer crypto from personal wallet, token Linea Pepe. I'm doing max because we will need to withdraw either way, so it doesn't matter. Need to approve. I hope deposit here works fine. Wait, I got pending transaction. What the heck? Okay, the approve is still here. Okay, so we approved. Now let's try to deposit again. What? I just approved this amount. Let's reconnect the wallet, try to sign again, and let's try to deposit again. Linea Pepper. Okay. Do I have to approve again? I have to approve again. Okay, never mind. I'll just go through and let's put that into the queue. So I'm just gonna speed up the approve here. And then hopefully everything will be fine with this contract interaction. Okay, that went fine, and now I'll just speed up this one too. So it was completed on MetaMask. We still have 0 Linea Pepper. Pepper is not in my wallet. Pepper is not in the vault. Where is Pepper? So there is a history tab, and we do see this transaction here with unclear status. Like it seems like it's pending still. Okay, can we get more? Can we claim more? Okay, request success. Okay, we minted. Let's check the balance. It's here. Now let's try to deposit. It actually worked this time. Okay, and now we got all these Pepper tokens in our vault. Now what we need to do, again, make sure here you have Linea Pepper and USD. Execute a sell market order for half of your Linea Pepper. Select market here, 50%, and sell. And now we can see that in trade history. And now we need to withdraw any amount of Linea Pepper to our wallet. So we click withdraw, send crypto back to personal wallet, selecting Pepper here, network, Linea. I'll just do 100% of that. And withdrawal speed fast. Withdraw. Sign in. Okay, if we go to history, we see that in withdrawal tab. So again, we should be done here, and let's move on. And the next is gonna be Symbiosis. So here tasks are very straightforward. We need one cross-chain swap and one on-chain swap. Connecting the wallet here. Okay, we need to switch to Girly, I believe. If we're gonna swap from Girly to Linea, for example, I'm gonna swap ETH from Girly to Linea. Can I also put ETH? Yeah, exchange rates are pretty bad here, compared even to Orbiter. And also seems like there is very little liquidity, the price impact is too high. Yeah, let's just do USDT on Linea, whatever. Is that gonna work? Why is price impact so big? Can I set some slippage tolerance? Okay, I don't care, let's do 20%. Okay, so we're swapping some ETH from Girly to USDT on Linea. Also it says my USDT is 0, so it must be a different contract. Okay, I don't care, I just need a swap. Let's just do a swap. Okay, this is almost done, and now in second window, let's do an on-chain swap on Linea. Let's do ETH into USDT. Not much choice here. Switch network to Linea. And we're gonna swap. Alright, and we are done with this one, I believe. Next we got OpenOcean. Complete at least one swap with any amount on OpenOcean. Okay, connecting wallet. I don't want to switch to Ethereum mainnet. Okay, need to select Linea testnet here and reconnect the wallet apparently. Okay. And I'll just swap a little bit of ETH again to the USDC. Also price impact 23%. Yeah, I'll just do less. Still 23%. Okay, whatever. Return amount is not high enough. Return amount is not enough. What about USDT? Price impact shows 128%. Okay, how much can I put slippage tolerance? It's only 50%. Okay, 50%. That's fine. Okay, so if we do ETH, a small amount of ETH into USDC, the price impact 23%. And I also put the slippage tolerance to 50%. Will this work now? Okay, it works. I assume slippage has to be more than the price impact or somewhere in that area. Okay, it looks like we got it. Phew. That was not pleasant. Okay, now we're moving on into a NoobysSwap. Here we need to swap some USDTs to NBS. And then we need to provide liquidity to this pair. Should be easy. Okay, connecting wallet. Okay, there is a faucet. I see a faucet. Let's go to faucet. Connecting. And we need to claim some USDTs. I refreshed and now you can see here 1000 USDTs. Let's just go ahead and swap these. Let's just do half into NBS token. We need to approve. I'll just do max. Okay, cool, now we can swap. And the interface here is very familiar. Oh wait, it's still in queue. Yeah, it should be in queue still. I'll just speed up both. Looks like swap was successful, even though here it's still loading. Okay, now let's just go to liquidity. It should already be there, yeah. So we do USDT and NBS. Next, there's no max button or anything, I'll just do it like this. We also need to approve NBS. Okay, USDT was already approved and now we can supply. Confirm, but it's in queue after approval. Okay, approval went through, now adding liquidity. Okay, so we should now see that here. Yeah, we see it in our liquidity. So NoobysSwap is also done. And this is gonna be the end of part 3, and unfortunately we'll have to make like a small part 4. Hopefully in like a day or two, because there are 3 applications where I just cannot complete tasks here. First one is Cashmere, because gas here is absolutely ridiculous. Like, as you can see on the screen now, if you try to move some tokens from Polygon, Mumbai for example, into Linea, it wants me to have more than 1,000 Matic in my wallet in order to cover the fee. And if you try to swap from Linea, I believe the gas is gonna be like 1.1 ETH or something like that. So even though theoretically this is possible to complete, I would rather wait. The second application that currently doesn't work for me is Mass Protocol. I cannot deposit any tokens. ETH didn't work, USDC didn't work. Now currently, if I open the transfer records, as you can see, there are 3 ETH transactions here pending. So again, I'd rather wait for some fixes to have a smooth experience. And third application that didn't work for me is the MetalSwap. I saw also people reporting the same problem on the Discord. So instead of bashing my head against the wall, I'd rather wait also. And probably all of these issues that we're facing now, they're gonna be fixed closer to the weekend or on the weekend. So again, I'll end part 3 here, and then for part 4, we'll do these 3 applications and maybe some other news changes. That's all I got here. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to drop them down below. Thank you very much for watching.